Welcome to Bamfordrose question of the week. This week we're going to call it timed out warranty. Now you can probably guess what we mean by that. I daren't mention its real name because that's trademarked, and if you click on the website to look at what the policy covers just here, you'll see that you can't use any excerpts of the media or anything. It's as anything heavily guarded. Why? Well, this question comes from someone's experience where the timed out policy literally timed out on them. And I just wanted to make a video to make it aware, if you weren't already, of the difference between extended warranty and 3-year maker warranty. So 3-year maker warranty, if you've got pretty much any niggle, any squeak, any rattle, any concern with the car that is a valid concern, you just throw the car back at the dealer with the keys and say fix it, and they fix it. With extended warranty and the purchase of the premium I've just copied the link to, this covers a breakdown, a breakage, not wear and tear, not niggles, squeak or rattle, no, just a straightforward breakdown. So I was alerted to a problem with a V12 VS that was just outside a 3-year maker warranty. It had been sold to another owner and he was less than 6 months into his ownership. Going on the outside lane of a motorway in gear, and it decides to come out of gear in neutral and gearbox in limpo. So he then has to navigate his way to the hard shoulder, which is not an ideal manoeuvre to be doing on a busy motorway. He key cycled a few times, gearbox was still in a shutdown mode, and he had the timed out warranty, and the assist package came along, towed the car off to franchise dealer. In the process of trying to figure out what was wrong, all the fault codes were lost. So there was no actual history of the fault that happened to this car. And after, I think, 68 miles worth of driving, they couldn't replicate the fault. So they were going to give the car back to the owner and say, well, you've had a shutdown, it's an unknown glitch, we can't replicate it, there's your car back. Now, this particular gent wasn't happy with that because he didn't really want to contemplate being stuck in the outside lane of the motorway and the car going into limp mode on its gearbox, no gears available to select. So he said, well, I'm not happy with that, I want you to investigate this further. As far as I'm concerned, the car has got a serious flaw. Well, because the extended warranty is there to fix a breakdown, then they were very reluctant to investigate the situation any further. Basically because they won't be able to bill their time to anyone, because at this moment they can't find a fault. So the extended warranty will only cover a breakdown and it won't cover wear items. So if you looked at the schedule in the link that I provided, you'll see that it is quite sparse in its description. Whereas if you look at someone like Warranty Wise's description, it's pages and pages long of what it covers and explicitly what it doesn't cover. We here at this garage do not undertake any work for the extended warranty, and we do repair lots of cars for owners that have got a Warranty Wise or similar policies too. Now, on those claims that we've put into Warranty Wise, even when a failure is of a wear item, Warranty Wise have always paid out, and I've never had any trouble justifying a claim. Yet time and time again, I hear stories where the timed out warranty does time out on the owner because either they deem it a wear item that's failed, Or in this case, someone's paid a lot of money for a car, it's got a niggle, it's out a 3-year maker warranty, they expect the same level of care and service that the franchise dealer would normally apply if the car was in 3-year maker warranty cover, but they don't get that because they're an extended warranty and the owners don't realise the subtle difference between the two policies. I've done a video before about should you take out the extended warranty or not. I can click here for that one. Message is still the same, absolutely not. I mean, these premiums are getting so expensive that if you were to own the car for 3 years, you're £6,000 on extended warranty cover, and you know, across 3 years, what's the mileage going to be? 15,000, 20,000? Certainly not going to have £6,000 worth of outright repair on non-wear items, so you're better off banking the money. And then that saves all the unpleasantness of trying to argue with the franchise dealer when they won't uphold a claim. For some reason as well, the franchise dealers appear to be the first line of police to refuse a claim, rather than helping their customers along and massaging the paperwork to enable a claim. Again, warranty-wise, my experience of any of those companies don't need anything like that to put through a successful claim, and their premiums are nowhere near as expensive as the timed out policy. That's just my view on the extended warranty. If you've got your own views, then you know, please share them. It's a gamble, isn't it? It could pay out for you because you've got a one-off problem and it pays a big sum of money in repairs. In an individual year, it might work out like that in your favour, but over a long term, certainly 3, 4, 5 years, it certainly doesn't pay to purchase the extended warranty.